So I meant to go out and do this earlier, but I forgot, and now it's raining, so yeah. Alright, so we put the target back on, one, so that, not that it's going to get any sunlight now, but one, so that the sunny thing can charge the door, and also so that the, at least half the coop's dry. Well, that half's dry, still wet now, but it won't get sopping wet. But we're going to have to do something about the front part at some point. So at some point, we're going to have to do something about down here because it's getting a sopping mess. Now back there is all dry, and obviously into their actual house is dry, but it's getting very wet at the front part here. So definitely gonna have to figure out what we want to do to fix that.